everyone, my name is Trang Thị Ngọc Yến. I come from BA of English 11 in Đồng Tháp University. Today I will talk about a topic is that someone who has the opinion that money can do anything may well be suspected of doing everything for money. I agree with this saying. To me, in our life, there are something that's more important than money. I will make it clearly as follows. Firstly, the idea is that money can do anything. I hope so, but in our life there are something that the money they can't buy. In our life, especially in modern society, with the development of the country, the standard of living is increasing. Therefore, we also need a lot of money to pay for daily activity. In fact, that with the money we can do or buy something we need, and we can use it to help the poor people and make us more wealthy. For example, with money we can become more beautiful or buy a position in the society. The next idea is that people may well be suspected of doing everything for money. I think the idea is true. Basing on some advantages of money, I just talk as well. This is the reason why many people think that money is all. If they have a lot of money, they can do something they need. But they don't know that wealth and money had not brought them happiness and freedom, and so they will do anything to earn money. Although this job is groundbreaking, such as smuggling, robbery, murder, so on. In conclusion, I think the saying someone who has the opinion that money will can do anything may well be suspected of doing everything for money is true. I know that money is very important in our life, but everyone should remember that money is not all. I think we should remain something we have. That's all. Thank you for watching.